good old tractor. So, all kidding aside, running as a PCB surgeon for 20 events for the season. We do become kind of a tight-knit extended family. Great group of people to hang around with. Makes our season go by way too quick for the 3 months we get. Yeah, that's a fact. Believe it or not, yeah, we do become the closest family. We do visit each other during the winter time. I feel like a meeting is not supposed to even discuss anything. It's just to say hi, how you doing, swap a few stories over a cold beer. That's what it's all about. All right, I'm on rise right now. Randy Nass out of Romeo from Millertime. Horse Jacket 600. Saw rookie pilot in the seat. In the afternoon session, Randy sharing driving duties with owner Ken Miller. Tractor. Named after Millertime Orchard. Guess they got a big event going on next week. We'll like everybody to come and see. You know they do haunted houses and barns in the fall. Yeah, they're very active during the harvest time with all kinds of activities. They make steady improvements year over year. If you're interested in going and checking them out, they're on 32 Mile Road, just west of downtown Romeo. Look for the big red apple. That's the place between Mound and the Clipper. Just past the Music Lake curves, that's where you'll find them. Green lights, green flags for Randy Nass.
Gilliam? Oh, why not?